Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Ashford, or 8 miles southwest of North Adams, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Adams, Cheshire, Florida, Savoy, New Ashford, Soldiers Memorial Field, North Hancock, Cheshire Harbor, Arnoldville, Towncrest Village, Maple Grove, Eastern Summit, Villa Knight, Bowens Corners, Farnhams, Rosick Whipple Square, Renfrew, Savoy Center, and Briar. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, Columbia County in east central New York, southeastern Albany County in east central New York, southern Rensselaer County in east central New York, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winenskill to Nassau to Claremont, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albany, Troy, Pittsfield, East Greenbush, North Adams, Watervliet, Rensselaer, Great Barrington, Hudson, Chatham, Nassau, Delmer, Adams, Williamstown, Claybeck, Lee, Lenox, Menands, Livingston, and Copiague. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Another SVR right now.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Ulster County in east central New York, Dutchess County in east central New York, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pine Plains to near Ellenville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pine Plains around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ammonia and Milligan around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sharon around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wallkill and Modena around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Plattekill, Falls Village, and Cornwall Bridge around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Beacon, Norfolk, and Marlborough around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Torrington, Wappingers Falls, Fishkill, and Myers Corner around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hopewell Junction and Winston around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Norrie Heights, Atwood, Lithgow, Hoxie Corner, South Ammonia, Pleasant Ridge, Jackson Corners, Verbank, Bulls Bridge, and Dempsey Landing. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, Western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, Western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a north to south line of severe thunderstorms across Berkshire County, Massachusetts, from Williamstown down south to Sheffield, was moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Agawam, West Springfield, Greenfield, Deerfield, South Hadley, East Hampton, Monroe, Montague, Southampton, Hadley, Sunderland, Stanfield, Williamsburg, Massachusetts. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time in Massachusetts, Franklin, Kent, and Hampshire. Now, the National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, eastern Columbia County in east central New York, southern Washington County in east central New York, eastern Rensselaer County in east central New York, Bennington County in southern Vermont, Wyndham County in southern Vermont, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greenwich to near Cheshire to Ashley Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cheshire and Savoy around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Shaftesbury, Sandusfield, and Holly around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Arlington around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Manchester around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Holland and Manchester Center around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stratton around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. West Wardsboro around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Townsend around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Goose City, Chiselville, North Hancock, Reedsboro Falls, Cheshire Harbor, South Shaftesbury, South Wyndham, Middle Falls, Dalton, and Adams Junction. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Orange County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hopewell Junction to near New Windsor to near Vernon Valley, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. This line of storms has a history of bringing down trees and power lines. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Newburgh and New Windsor around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. West Point around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Monroe and Cold Spring around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sherman and Sloatsburg around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Fairfield around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Danbury and Muncie around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New City and Lake Carmel around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Haverstraw and Brewster around 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ossining and Upper Nyack around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ridgefield around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mount Kisco around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Reading and Bedford around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut. Severe thunderstorm watch number 56. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Collin County in northern Connecticut, northern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, eastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, Chatham County in western Massachusetts, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shaftesbury to Plainfield to Chester to near Tolland to near Wingdale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Enfield, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Vernon, Windsor, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, South Windsor, Orange, Simsbury, Ludlow, Bloomfield, South Hadley, East Hampton, Longmeadow, and Suffield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Tallinn, Connecticut, and the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester. The National Weather. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Dutchess County in east central New York, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winston to Fonsdock State Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Torrington, New Milford, Sherman, Pauling, Thomaston, New Hartford, Kent, Norfolk, Litchfield, Northwest Irwinton, Terryville, New Hartford Center, Woodbury Center, Gaylordsville, New Preston, Cornwall Bridge, Winsted, Wingdale, Dover Plains, and Hopewell Junction. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut,